Timothy, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just get done running it. Description is combination. It's got the beautiful Billet Specialties front end, all polished. It's got AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got one of our custom grind hydraulic rollers. CFI. It's got the Pro-Am manifold. Holley's throttle body. Obviously, Holley's so it's got one of their dual sync distributors in it. Obviously, you can tell it's orange for a Ford. That's kind of unusual. Well, this gentleman here, his son plays for Clemson, so he's a pretty proud dad and sporting the colors. So we'll take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,400, 496 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peaks torque 525. Real flat there, a lot of 20s. Peaks horsepower 528. A lot of 28s there, so we like to see that. We rate this at 520. It's got a front end on it, so it runs really well. That's the EFI unit and stuff. So we'll get her off there, get in a crate. Come your way. Have a great day.